So in this example, we're going to be combining the two logs or the three logs into just one. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. The first thing you need to do when you're dealing with combining several logs into one is to deal with the numbers in front of the logs. Those numbers will go into the exponents of the expressions inside the log. We are going to ignore the negative sign over here. So this is log base 3 of a plus 2 to the 5th power, still minus log base 3 of 2x minus 4 to the 2nd power. Now we can combine the two logs into one. This negative sign right here means that the expressions inside the log will be divided. So write a single log down, then put a big parenthesis in, then a division bar. The log that had a positive sign in front of it, that expression will go in the numerator. So a plus 2 to the 5th power. The log that had a negative sign in front of it, the expression inside that log will go into the denominator. 2x minus 4 to the 2nd power. And that's it. Let's try it again with the one on the right. So the 4 will go into the exponent. The 1/3 is going to go into the exponent. So this is log base a of 5x plus 2 to the 4th power plus log base a of x to the 1/3 power. Now 1/3 power is the same as a cube root, and I am going to use it on the next one. So now that we have the exponents taken care of, we can combine the two logs into one. So write one single log down, base a, put down a parenthesis. The plus in between two logs means that the expression inside the logs will be multiplied together. So this is 5x plus 2 to the 4th power times the cube root of x, which is what 1/3 power is. Close the parenthesis, and that is the final answer. Let's go ahead and look at part B. So first of all, put the numbers in front of the logs into the exponents. So this is log base b of x to the 1/2 power plus log base b of y to the 3rd power minus log base b of z to the 5th power. Now the first two logs are combined with a plus sign, so that means they will be multiplied together. So log base b of x to the 1/2 power times y to the 3rd minus log base b of z to the 5th power. Now these two logs are combined with a minus sign, so the expressions inside the log will be divided. Log base b. I'm going to go ahead and turn the 1/2 power into a square root. So square root of x times y cubed divided by z to the 5th. And that is as far as we can go here. All right, last one, same thing, but the first thing we have to do is distribute this 4, since there's two logs that depend on it inside the parenthesis. So 2/3 log base 2 of x plus 4 log base 2 of y minus 8 log base 2 of z. Now put the exponents in front of the numbers in front of the log into the exponent form. So log base 2 of x to the 2/3 power plus log base 2 of y to the 4th power minus log base 2 of z to the 8th. Now combine them all into one log base 2. X to the 2/3 plus y to the 4th. Well, the plus between the logs means that the x and the y will be multiplied together and be in the numerator. So x to the 2/3 times y to the 4th divided by, because of the minus sign, z to the 8th power.